starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Today we will discuss about the physical quantities, their unit and symbols. The first physical quantity is length. It is measured in meter and represented by small letter m. Mass. It is measured in kilogram and represented by symbol kg. Time. It is measured in second and represented small letter s. Temperature. It is measured in Kelvin and represented by capital K. Electrical current. It is measured in ampere and represented by symbol AMP. Luminous intensity. It is measured in candela and represented by CD. Amount of substance. Its unit is mole and it is represented by symbol MOL, mole. Volume is measured in liter and its symbol is capital L, that is equal to 10 raised to power 3 cubic meter. Length. Length is also measured in angstrom. Its symbol is A0 and 1 angstrom is equal to 0.1 nanometer. Pressure. Pressure is measured in atmosphere. It is represented by symbol ATM, that is equal to 101.325 kilopascal. Pressure is also measured in torr. It is represented by symbol mm, millimeter of mercury, and 1 torr is equal to 133.32 pascal. Energy. Energy is measured in calorie. It is represented by symbol Cal, and 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. Energy is also measured in electron volt. It is represented by symbol EV, and 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6022 multiply 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Its symbol is degree Celsius, that is equal to K minus 273.15. K is Kelvin. Concentration. The unit of concentration is molarity. It is represented by capital M, that is equal to mole over liter, or mole over cubic decimeter.